Hello, hello, hello. Hello, what's up mga kababayan dyan? How are you everybody? And ngayon si Manding Celia will unbox something that an addition to my garbage here. So I'm excited. Are you excited, Gia?
Yeah.
You're excited to see? I don't know if this is the right
What this high tech
order. So I have here the box. This one, too many tags around. Okay, let's try. I will try to.
This is bottom.
Bottom.
See? Here the bottom.
Okay, bottom or top. So we will unbox this one. This is actually addition to my garbage all over here.
Garbage.
We will see. Are you excited? I'm excited.
These are expensive equipment.
We will see. This one first. Too many. Oh, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4. I have here 4 boxes. This 1, 2,
Oh Jesus.
3,
Oh God. And this is only I think one thing.
and 4.
Oh man. This is like
Let's try it.
oh God.
What are these people of this universe? I will first unbox this one.
The brand is
Yeti.
Yeti.
Yeti. I bought something that's
For my
blue.
garbage.
Yeti. Because sometimes when I do live streaming, sometimes they will say they cannot hear me, so I buy this. Yeti. This is Blue Yeti.
It will be the one you bought. But they don't know if you
I don't buy the V8. This is a different one. I don't want to change my voice actually. I have my voice. I don't want to change it. So I want the original. So this is the box. The box in a box. Okay, that is. Let's check. Oh. Okay. Oh, there is. Oops. I find a cord, the manual, this is what I bought, guys. Ta-da! You like it? Oh, wow, it's so nice, no? Look at this, guys. Here we can actually adjust. This is actually a microphone. See? It moves. This is a microphone, you see. Like
something really professional.
this is a professional microphone.
Wow, that is really
And
expensive.
the brand is Blue Yeti. And you can mute here. And this is the volume. And behind it's like
It's for the filter.
this one, if you are, they have different settings, like when you are talking with only 2 people, you sit there. When you are talking with, like, you want stereo sound, like the sound from around will be caught, like when you are having a meeting and too many are talking, then that one you have to adjust this. And there is also something like I don't know, 4 settings actually. Okay, so this is quite heavy. Oops, I hit it. I have to actually tighten this one here. I have to tighten the side. It's durable. Can you touch it? It's so nice, right?
It's really sturdy.
Very sturdy.
Yeah, filter.
Okay, this is a bundle that I bought. What is good in this bundle is I have the scissor. Boom. I will open the next one. This is the scissor. Boom. What is that? Scissor. Okay. This is the scissor. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. There. This is the scissor. I hope this can handle the heavy one. I hope this can handle this because it's quite heavy. but it's a set, so that means it can handle.
It must be made for this.
This is for this. Ta-da! This is it. There is it is tied. So one, and this is
This guy.
another one.
This guy.
So inside is like, inside is this. Where is? This is for the tip. There, to handle the mic. And I have here instructions on what to do. A clamp. Like, I can put it on the table, maybe that side. To hold it like this. I know, wrong. To hold it like, can you see? Yeah, to hold it like this and then install.
You have to see the instructions.
I will show you the installation part. This time is only unboxing.
After the assembly?
The assembly part. Okay, that's it.
You have
And
to move all these things.
so I have the mic, I have the scissor, which will hold the microphone. Actually, when I will use the scissor, I will not use this stand. But looks like I don't need a scissor anymore if this is like this. Hello, 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 hello. I have here another box. This is the shock mount. So that your microphone will not be like this.
Shock absorber.
This is the shock mount. Does it have?
Shock absorber.
This is a bundle. I like this bundle because it's complete. But I don't have voice changer or something. This is the shock mount. It will connect here actually. You see? You see this? It will connect there. And the microphone will be inside here. Okay. And the last one is the smallest box. What is this? This is small. Elastic or rubber band? What is
Okay.
Ta-da!
Noise filter.
This is actually the microphone. What do you call it? Microphone pop filter. So it is the filter from your microphone. You notice that our friends have a filter which looks like a small plate, but mine is different. This is what I like. So this is a filter. See, just a filter. So yeah. Can I have? So it just go like this. You have to take this off.
No. First see the instructions.
Yeah, I know. It will cover like that.
From the front, the filter should be on the back.
No. This completes the bundle that I have. It has a shock mount, the one which will hold the microphone. It has the scissor boom. What is that? The brand of my scissor. The handle, this one, is Knox Gear. Knox Gear. So, you see, it's like this. Hello, 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 hello. Good for recording, live streaming.
My songs.
I will sing. Oh, but I don't have songs. So this is what I bought today. This completes my order. So the next one will be the installation part. So maybe I will show you when I will.
We will see you when the
already.
assembly is done.
Okay, but I will check first if this really can handle this heavy microphone. Anyway, if this cannot handle, then I will let it stand on my table. It
This is
doesn't.
made for it, I think.
Yeah, this is. I will just.
The package means it is made for.
I will just open this one.
You didn't buy it separately. It was.
No, it's
it was
a
a bundle.
bundle.
So it will hold the weight or whatever.
I know. Looks like very small for the heavy microphone. We will see. Okay. I was about to cut. It is only a kind of, this goes like it. Oh, looks like sturdy also. You touch it.
It's really,
Very sturdy.
It is made for this speaker.
So therefore, we'll connect this. The microphone will be hanging here.
Oh,
The microphone will be hanging here. So there's a hole in here. It will hang like that. And this will be clipped on the table. Hello.
hello.
Hello, it's Michelle. So
Hello,
that,
hello.
of course, you can hear my voice already. And there is an adjustment. I will see.
This is true. When you put the microphone, you have to tell.
And it's a good
It will go more out.
good quality. Like,
Make this.
for example, with this, I will check first.
This is
This one.
the bottom.
No, this.
No, this is the bottom. This one. This conical.
And this one will connect to the microphone, and then this. This is what I bought today. It's quite expensive one, but I like it. And then I buy it. And then I'm happy because I got what I wanted, right? Of course. This is the brand of my scissor. Boom scissor. They call it. No. What is the name? Desktop
It's a
boom
boom.
arm. Ah, wrong.
Yeah, it's a boom arm.
Desktop boom arm microphone stand. Oh, see? This is really a stand for
Just
microphone.
like those cranes.
So
Boom arm.
you can adjust, like for example, you put it there already, you can do, if you want more, hello, if you want like this, hello, like this. So it's adjustable. We will see. We'll show you. Okay. I will do the, after this video, I will show you the installation
We will
part.
see you after the assembly.
Okay guys, that's it. That's my part 1 of only unboxing my things. Okay, so for now, I will just say bye bye and see you on my next live stream. Kasi you will hear me already because I have a very nice microphone, big one. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Hoy, thank you sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye. Salamat.